Well, good morning, everybody. I am at work right now. I'm about to go into the worship center for rehearsal. It is almost 7:30 and it's super early, but I'm excited for today because I get to show you guys the coolest part of my job, which is pretty much Sunday morning. So hope you're having a great day so far, and come along for the ride.
Drenched in love, straight through, we'll say the bad word and everything. Yes.
Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow. No other fount I know. I am washed, I am washed, I am.
So we just got done with first service, and I'm gonna go see what Jim, our sound guy, is doing. Yeah, we have a few minutes until second service starts.
Man on the wall.
What?
How does it sound this morning?
How good?
Yeah?
Yeah. I hate being in videos, man.
Fellow vlogger and wedding filmmaker, Ty Stewart. What do you use?
Oh, are you vlogging right now?
Yeah.
What's going on? Oh, sweet. That's awesome. I use the GH5 for the 12 to 35 millimeter.
Nice.
Most of the time. Just bought the new lens, but yeah.
What'd you buy?
35 millimeter Rokinon Cine lens.
You heard it here first. All right, so we're all done with worship, and this morning was super great. Had an awesome time. It was football Sunday, so we got to watch a video of the NFL players that are going to be in the Super Bowl. Now we're going to head to lunch, and I'm going to meet Leah there, and we're going to have some Daniel-friendly food. It's going to be good.
Hi, Riley. Say hi.
Oh, Dad. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Hi.
How's your day been?
Good.
Good.
How was worship? Church.
Awesome.
Nice cookies, Curran.
All done with lunch, actually a few hours ago. So now I have Oliver. This is Oliver. And see if the camera will focus. Anyway, so Oliver is 2 years old as of yesterday. So me and him are just gonna take a trip to the dog park.